Picsalt AI is a brand new software that's been making waves in the digital marketing world. And today, we're going to dive into 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're curious about whether this is the AI tool you've been waiting for, stick around to the end because I'll share my honest thoughts on whether it's worth your time and investment. Plus, you can try Picsalt AI for completely free from the first link below. So stay tuned to find out how. Now, let's talk about the first thing that makes Picsalt AI stand out. Its ability to instantly generate high-quality visual content with AI. With just a few inputs, this software can create custom images, graphics, and even video elements in minutes, something that used to take designers hours. Whether you're running a marketing campaign or building a brand from scratch, the time-saving potential here is huge. And for someone like me who's all about maximizing efficiency, this is a game changer. But it's not just about saving time. What really impressed me is the software's intuitive user interface. You don't need to be a tech expert to use Picsalt AI. It's designed for marketers, entrepreneurs, and creators who just want to get things done without getting bogged down in complicated features. It's clear that the developers put a lot of thought into making it accessible while still offering powerful features. One of the highlights of Picsalt AI is its AI-driven design suggestions. Once you input your preferences, the software will offer design recommendations based on trends and what's performing best in your niche. This can be a huge asset for anyone looking to keep their content fresh and aligned with what's working in the market. You're basically getting an AI-powered designer that works 24/7, which can dramatically improve your content creation workflow. Another feature worth mentioning is Picsalt's image optimization. This is crucial for anyone working in digital marketing, as it helps reduce the file size without sacrificing image quality. With faster loading times and optimized visuals, your website or landing pages will perform better across devices, which can improve user experience and even boost your SEO rankings. If you're a social media manager or running ads, you'll be thrilled to hear that Picsalt AI also comes with pre-built templates for social media ads, banners, and posts. Whether you're targeting Facebook, Instagram, or any other platform, these templates are designed to meet the specific needs of each, making it easier to create content that's already optimized for performance. Now let's talk about the scalability of this software. Picsalt AI isn't just built for solo entrepreneurs or small businesses. It's designed to scale. Whether you're a growing startup or a large enterprise, you can integrate Picsalt with your existing tools like CRMs and marketing automation software to streamline workflows. It's a solution that can grow with your business needs, which is always a plus when choosing a new tool. The pricing structure is also something you'll want to consider. While it's completely free to try from the link below, you may be wondering about the paid plans. From what I've seen so far, they're competitively priced for the value the software delivers. You get access to all core features, and there's flexibility depending on your team size and needs. And lastly, I want to highlight the customer support. If you ever get stuck, Picsalt AI offers fast and helpful customer support, so you're never left hanging when you need assistance. This is something that's often overlooked but is critical for any software you plan to use long-term. So, should you give Picsalt AI a try? Based on everything I've shared today, I'd say it's definitely worth considering, especially if you're looking for an AI tool to enhance your content creation process. If you've been searching for a reliable, easy-to-use software to help scale your digital marketing efforts, Picsalt AI could be the perfect addition to your toolkit. After testing thousands of AI software tools, I've put together a list of my top recommended ones, so check out the description below to explore more AI tools that you can try for free. Thanks for watching.